Hello and welcome to SeedSoft. In today's video, I will show you how to capture an observation in the field. First of all, please make sure that you're logged into the app by checking that your name and the server name are visible on the left-hand side top corner of the mobile app. If not, please refer to the login video. Once you're logged in, press on the large trials button and you will see a list of all the trials that you can access or make an observation of. I will press on the first one, Luxor, and what I see here is a list of all the observations that have been made on this trial. I will add a new one by pressing the plus button, call it Harvest, confirm, open it by pressing the button, and I will be greeted with the observation screen. Now I have two views in observation. I have the vertical view, which is what you see here, where you have one variety at a time and all the different traits that you're observing. Of course, the traits are different depending on crop and your SeedSoft provider. And you can scroll between the varieties by simply using your finger left and right. You can also group and ungroup, for instance, not look at fruit, only look at the plant first, then close the plant and look at fruit only. You can also switch to a spreadsheet-like view where you have varieties on the left and all the traits scrollable like this. Here again, you can group, you can say, I only want to look at the fruit traits for now by pressing the fruit. You will have nothing else than fruit-related traits in this case. Let me go back to the other view and I'll show you how to capture information on a fruit of this particular variety. So first of all, let's say I would like to enter the fruit weight. I press on it and I start putting in numbers. Let's say the first fruit, it's a watermelon, is 12.5 kilograms. I have a second fruit, which was 13.6. I add, and you can notice that the system is already calculating average standard deviation for you. I put maybe a third fruit, maybe a very big one, 17.8 kilograms. I start to see that my standard deviation is growing. These are not very uniform fruits. If I want, I can also add quickly a media file, essentially a photo or a video of what you're doing. In this case, it will be a photo from the office, just my desk. Okay. The photo is taken and it will be saved against the fruit weight of this variety AC12 in this observation. I can also choose something like a size uniformity trait, which is a selection rather than number. In this case, I say the size uniformity is actually uneven because I had a large variability. I could have any other traits to assess: cracking tolerance, very strong maybe, and on and on. So all the traits need to be assessed. Once you're done, or if you have a break, you can press the cloud button to send the data back to the server. Important you do it as soon as you can if you didn't have access to internet in the field. Press confirm and sync, and all the information and photos or videos will have been submitted to the server. Your data is now safe. Thank you very much and bye-bye.